Welcome back to whiskey. All right, so today we're going to be doing our experiment number 2. Experiment number 2 is using Kansas Clean Distilled. All right, Kansas Clean Distilled is a spirit whiskey versus experiment number 1, which is a white whiskey. So the difference is that one is just purely the whiskey, and the other one is clean neutral spirit whiskey mixed with aged whiskey. So this one's been aged for a week. This one has just a little bit of aged whiskey. I don't know how old it is mixed in with it. So what we're going to be doing is the do your whiskey. All right, that is the experiment itself. So if you go back and watch part 1 of this video, I show you all the different contents of the box that comes with all different sorts of wood tannins, and it comes with all sorts of different spices. All right, so one of the wood tannins it comes with is American Sweetheart, which is New American White Oak, which is what we're going to be testing with the Kansas Clean Distilled. Whereas in part 1, I tested it with the dark chocolate. All right, and that one's coming along just fine with the white whiskey. It's actually starting to smell good. It's doing really well so far. All right, so what I have here is a clean bottle that I just washed out. It used to have Kansas City whiskey in it. Now it's going to have Kansas Clean Distilled in it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in here, and then I'll go ahead and put the wood tannins in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a second. All right, now that we have this filled most of the way up, we can go ahead and add our wood tannins into here. All right, so what exactly how does this happen? Well, you just take your little vial, okay? And within that vial itself, we're just gonna go ahead and pour about half of this vial in there, okay? Looks like it's wanting to be stuck. All right, just a little bit more. Okay, and that is about half. So now we're gonna wait about 3 to 4 weeks. And after 3 to 4 weeks, we'll see hopefully some color change and some nosing changes in smell and clarity. This one is pretty fruity and florally. I did a shorts video taste testing the difference between the Kansas Clean Distilled and the white whiskey, so if you want to go watch that, you can watch that as well. But I'll go ahead and we can check back in with you guys in about 3 to 4 weeks and see how this turned out.